In last video, I talked about how to update data to database. In this video, I'll talk about how to delete data from database. At first, I'll create a defined route to delete data. Comment out first, delete student, set app.delete. Remember, generally we use delete method to delete something. After that, a student route, then a callback function, request, response, and next. Like update data to database, MongoDB provides us two options. One is delete single document and another is delete multiple documents. First of all, I will talk about how to delete single document. To delete data from database, here we also have two steps. First one is find out that document. After that, delete that document. Luckily, MongoDB provides us two options at a time. MongoDB provides us find one and delete method to delete single document from database. So I will call this method first. Student find one and delete. This method expects an object as parameter. This object is about by which key and value pair you want to find out that document. For example, I will find out the document by email, as email is normally unique. Just imagine that we'll get this email from query object. So const request.query is an object, so we expect email here and we'll destructure this email. After that, we'll pass this email here. The rest of the part are same. It's asynchronous task, so I'll pass then block. Within then block, I'll pass callback function. I'll send a simple response with status code 200 and send a JSON response with message student deleted successfully. After that, I'll pass catch block. Within catch block, I'll pass another callback function. It receives an error. Then I'll send an error response with status code 500. Then send a JSON response with message error.message. Now save the file. Go to MongoDB Compass. Click to refresh button. We can see we have student3@gmail.com. Now go to Postman. First of all, I'll change put route to delete route. Then I'll set email student3@gmail.com. Email and student3@gmail.com. Now I'll send a request. We can see student deleted successfully. If you go to MongoDB Compass, click to refresh button, we can see student 2 has been deleted. So that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture.